Hello everyone, welcome to the training sessions of Tableau Desktop given by Universal Teaching Group under the aegis of Gate Smashers. In this video, we'll be studying that how to download Tableau and how to get the license of the Tableau Desktop software for full version for 1 year. As for creating a visualization, for understanding the better visualization, we need the software to be working in a full version manner, then only there's a fun of working on it. So first of all, we'll be downloading the software, then we'll be installing it, and then we'll be licensing it for 1 year. For creating such interesting visualization in Tableau, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to download the Tableau software. So following are the steps need to be taken care before downloading and installing the software is, first of all, you need to download the latest version of Tableau Desktop. After then, you need to install the latest version of Tableau Desktop. Then you need to enter the license key of the Tableau Desktop. Fill this license key in the Tableau Desktop software. So to complete each and every step, how to download the latest version, how to install it, and how to insert the key in the desktop software, where are these options where we can activate it, all these things we'll be going into see in this video. Downloading the latest version of Tableau Desktop, you need to go over to the following link. This link will be automatically downloading the latest version of Tableau Desktop on your laptop. So while clicking on it, it will be directly being downloaded on your laptop. Either you can click on this link or you can go to the Google and you can write there on Google, download Tableau Desktop, and you will be directly moved to a link of tableau.com where when you will be clicking over it, you will be moving to a link on directly your Tableau download will be getting downloaded. See this will be starting downloading here, Tableau Desktop. So it will automatically be downloading you the latest version of Tableau Desktop on your laptops or on your PCs. Now, after downloading the Tableau Desktop either via Google or via this link, you will be getting this type of a window. From this window, by default, it will download for the Windows operating system. But if you need it for the Mac, then you have to click on this option that need a different version Mac, and your software will be downloaded for the Mac. After some time, your software will be getting downloaded and it will be present in your downloaded folder named as Tableau Desktop and the version of it. That is Tableau Desktop 64-bit 2021-3 is now the latest version that is being present. After downloading the Tableau Desktop, you need to follow the next step, that is installation of a Tableau Desktop. It's a very easy step. What you need to do is, first of all, you need to go into your download folders, and inside your download folders, there will be a setup present of Tableau Desktop that you have downloaded just now. After getting the setup, you have to double click on the setup and it will be opening an installation wizard. In that installation wizard, you can see an install button, right? Click on over it, that install button, and your software will be getting downloaded. Once it will be getting downloaded, you can go to the start menu, and after it's downloading, when you will be typing Tableau in your start menu, you will be seeing the software present in your PCs. By default, the Tableau software, Tableau Desktop software is 15 days trial software. So what I'm going to say is that when you will be getting it and you will be downloading and installing it, 15 days you can work it free manner. You don't require any type of a key. But after 15 days, what you require is a license key, which you will be getting either in a paid manner for company purpose, or if you will be working for an academician, a student or a faculty, then you will be getting this license key directly from the Tableau for 1 year. So we'll be learning that how we'll be getting this key. So the step 3 is license key of Tableau Desktop. For getting the Tableau Desktop license key, when you will be after installing your software, between these 15 days of this trial, you will be getting this type of a screen after opening the desktop software. You will be getting the option that your trial ends in 3 days or in 4 days. You can either continue the trial or activate it. So when you will be clicking on continue trial, it will be working for only those days. For that, you have the trial version left. But if you want to activate it, then you have to click on activate. But for activate, you need a license key. So now how we'll be getting this license key is, for all the students, those who want to work on Tableau, Tableau has given them a link for getting the license key totally free And for that you have to click on this link that is mentioned here. You can see here there's a link is www.tableau.com/academics/student-form. When you will be clicking on this link, it will be further opening another link where you need to follow the other information. Now you can directly click over this link, or you can again go to Google and you can write there Tableau for students. Automatically you will be given the first link, and when you will be clicking on this first link, you will be reaching to this site and this page where when you will be clicking on get Tableau for free, it will be opening this type of a page, a form for Tableau teaching. And once you will be getting this form, you need to fill this form, you need to enter the country information, your information, confirm email, and the most important part is you need to upload your student ID card information here. You need to upload a snapshot of a student ID card, and after then they will be giving you the key. So for getting a license key, you have to click on this link, or you can go to Google and write for Tableau for students. After then you will be getting this type of a form where you have to upload your college ID card. Once you have uploaded your college ID cards, within 48 hours of uploading, you will be getting an email from Tableau team, and in that email you will be getting a key that is mentioned with the activate with product key, and this key will be working for exactly 1 year at the time when you are getting the email. So it means if you get the email today, then for the next year on the same date your expiration will be getting expired, your license will be getting expired. So this is for 1 year only. Fill the license key in Tableau. Now where we have to fill this license key in Tableau? So you have to open your Tableau in a trial mode, and then you have to go in help option. Inside help option there is an option of manage product key. Then you can go to the manage product key, and then this type of a window will be getting opened there. Then you have to click on activate. After clicking on activate, your windows will be opened just like this, and here you have to enter your product key. Once you have entered your product key, your software will be getting activated, and you will be getting this type of a view, which is called the full version of Tableau, and that is a Tableau desktop full version software. Hence, I think that you might be knowing that how we can install Tableau desktop in our laptops in a full version manner. So for completing this full process, we required 48 hours. That is, in one day, we will be downloading it, we will be installing it. After installing it, then what we need to do is we need to go to the Google, or we need to go to the link of the student license. After entering all the information of student license, we'll be getting the license key back within 48 hours. And after 48 hours, when you'll be getting the key, you can insert that key in your Tableau desktop, and you can further work on your processes or on the visualization that you want to work on. Okay, so there are many people who don't have the licenses, who are not the academicians, who are not the faculties or teachers. So for those type of people, Tableau have also provided a software that is totally free. That is software without license. If you work on Tableau, then you need to work on a Tableau public software, which is freely available. Now for downloading the Tableau public software, what you need to do is you need to go to the following link, or again you can go to the Google and you can write over Google download Tableau public and you will be getting over the link public.tableau.com, and once you will be clicking over it, your software again gets starting downloading after entering an email ID here. So what we can see is when we are clicking over this link, we'll be going to the tableau.com site, public.tableau.com site, and there we need to enter our email address. Once we are entering our email ID and click on the download the app, the software will be starting downloaded directly for Windows version. But if you want it for Mac, then it is also present for Mac, and you have to click on need a different version Mac, and your software will be getting downloaded for Mac also. With this, when you'll be clicking over it, your software will be getting downloaded, and the download public software will be again kept in your downloads folder in your PC with the name as Tableau Public Desktop and the version with it. But the difference is the earlier software which we have downloaded is Tableau Desktop, but the free version is Tableau Public Desktop. Now everyone have a question in their mind that what's the difference between Tableau Public Desktop and a Tableau Desktop. So the difference is that when you are working on Tableau Desktop, all the sheets that over which you are working, you can save it on your desktop also. You can save it in your local storage also. But when you are working on Tableau public desktop, you don't have any option. You don't have any option to save the data on your desktop only. So what you need to do is, at that point of time, either you will not be saving your storage visualizations, or what you need to do is you need to save these visualization which you are creating on Tableau public desktop will be stored on server only. So Tableau desktop will be working in a desktop mode, that is you can save anything on the desktop, whereas Tableau public would be saving your things not on desktop, but it can be saving directly onto the server. So when we will be connecting to the server, it will be taking some time, a large latency, due to which what we prefer is you need to download Tableau desktop software. So that is how we can process with the installation part, and how we can download it and getting a license of the Tableau. This is all for today's video regarding the installation. The next video will be regarding that how we need to work on Tableau and what are the various features that Tableau have provided to us. Thanks for viewing the video. Kindly like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel.